Welcome and good morning. I'm going to share with you 50 I am affirmations that have helped me greatly to completely reprogram my subconscious mind, change my life, and elevate me to new levels of success. Now we know that it takes 21 days to create new neural pathways. So without further ado, let's begin. I want you to get comfortable. Sit up straight with your back straight. Begin to breathe deeply into your belly. Take 3 deep breaths with me. Now, repeat these phrases out loud or simply absorb them into your subconscious being. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. I am confident, capable, and strong. I am a magnet for miracles. I am creating a life filled with joy and purpose. I am resilient. I can overcome any challenge. I am surrounded by love and support. I am the architect of my destiny. I am open to receiving abundance in all areas of my life. I am a beacon of positivity and optimism. I am at peace with my past, present, and future. I am constantly growing and evolving. I am a vessel of love and compassion. I am deserving of success and happiness. I am attracting opportunities that align with my purpose. I am radiating confidence, self-respect, and inner harmony. I am in control of my thoughts and my emotions. I am a powerful creator. My thoughts shape my reality. I am a source of inspiration for others. I am a money magnet, and prosperity flows to me effortlessly. I am in tune with the wisdom of the universe. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I am releasing all fears and embracing boundless courage. I am a beacon of light, and my positivity is contagious. I am free to create the life I desire. I am healthy, whole, and complete. I am a channel for creativity and inspiration. I am transforming challenges into opportunities. I am the master of my time. I use it wisely and efficiently. I am a loving and supportive friend to myself. I am choosing happiness over fear, love over judgment. I am a magnet for harmonious and loving relationships. I am a source of peace and serenity for those around me. I am a force for good in the world. I am unfolding in divine timing. I am embracing the journey of self-discovery. I am a powerful force of nature. I am letting go of what no longer serves me. I am attracting loving and fulfilling connections. I am the CEO of my life. I make empowered decisions. I am deserving of rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation. I am a beacon of health and vitality. I am letting go of worry and trusting the process of life. I am a masterpiece in the making. I am a source of kindness and compassion. I am choosing thoughts that empower and uplift me. I am a divine being, connected to the greater whole. I am a warrior for love and a guardian of peace. I am a vessel of pure potential. I am grateful for the lessons that challenges bring. I am love. I am light. I am limitless. For the next 21 days, I challenge you to allow these affirmations to imprint on your subconscious mind. Creating new neural pathways and creating a new life for you. Continue meditating, breathing, sitting, feeling the space, allowing these affirmations to do their work. When you are ready, take a very deep, cleansing breath. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me on this I Am Affirmations guided meditation. If you're interested in another free guided meditation, I will pin one to the comments and I will leave a link to it in the description. It is my inner sanctuary meditation, my gift to you for taking the initiative to absolutely elevate your life. Thank you very much for joining me, and I wish you having a hopeful day full of love and light.